Hello guys, it's IDSSC back here again with another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys on how to make a good Fortnite thumbnail. Okay, so guys, what I do in my Fortnite videos, I like to get a screenshot of myself in game. Obviously, because I don't have a capture card, I cannot show this. So I'm going to do. So what I've done is that I've tweeted it out for my Nintendo Switch. So then I could go onto my Twitter, and when I see 70 minutes ago, here you go, save image. For this, I'm just gonna call it thumbnail for video. And okay, so guys, this tutorial is going to be in paint.net because that's where I do my thumbnails in. If you want to do this in other programs like Photoshop and others, you're gonna have to search that up on YouTube as well. Okay, so guys, what you want to do is open your OBS, yes, and then make sure you have your paintbrush and make sure that you can outline your character. Preferably make it a white outline and also make it as thin as possible. I'll come back to you when I've done this. Okay, so now you can see guys, I've outlined my character. After you've done this, you're going to want to outline the build, and again I will show you after I've done it. Okay, now you guys can see that I have done the outline with the white outline. So what I want you guys to do is press the magic wand, and I want you to press the 2 squares. So then you want to click everywhere around your thing, and you see the outline will have this effect on it. And then what you want to do is that you want to go back onto your background, press onto effects and go onto blurs, and then from there you want to go into motion blur. And I'm just going to mute this so you can see what it looks like. You see everything's blurred barring the parts where I've put the outline on. The outline stops, you know, everything, the places from blurring. So because I like the more discreet motion blur, I'm going to leave it like this. From now I can go on to effect, to adjustments, and hue and saturation. So what this will do is that if you want to like change the background in that, as you see everything's changing, so I'm going to keep this like this because I like how this looks in my opinion. So now if I go back onto this and then I if I delete the layer, it should look like that. In my opinion, I like how this looks, and for the sake of me making this thumbnail and the thing that you're seeing, I'm going to put how. And what I'd recommend, especially if you're going to put text on the thumbnail, put a super bold font on this. So I like to use big nudulating, how to, you'd like to put the size up and make the size pretty big. So if I make this 108, and because my Lexus is going to be 2, I have to keep the same size so it doesn't look bad. So I'm just going to put how to make, because if you put thumbnail it makes it look way less long, it makes it look longer and less clickable. Now what you want to do is save as, and this is the thumbnail but you guys are actually seeing right now in the video. For this I'm just going to name it thumbnail saved and done. And then you're gonna want to make sure like your quality is obviously up, because if it's down it's gonna look like this, it's gonna look like ass. So then press OK, and then you've made a thumbnail. Also guys, I know that you might be asking, hey Idris, where's the thumbnail? But there's no thumbnail, there's the face cam. But I decided not to put face cam on this video just because there's no real point, and if I had face cam on the video it would cover up things that are important on paint.net and to the tutorial, so that's why I didn't do it. Anyway, if you enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.